Hi guys! I'm glad that you have tuned in to this review kasi medyo significant itong content natin in today's video. Kasi for this review nagpakilala na agad sa atin itong product without even hitting its 1 year mark. Kaya no need for update kasi ito na mismo yung update. Kumbaga unboxing, review, and then update all in one video na. Premium ang packaging at I can say na well protected or swerte lang siguro ako kasi hindi naman nagkadurog-durog yung box nung dumating. Excellent din in terms of physical appearance kasi even though made of plastic ito mukha namang solid and sturdy ang build quality niya. Stable ang base compared sa ibang clip fans at okay yung kapit nung mismong clip. As usual, nasa likod yung button with LED light indicators na may 3 speed and it is utilizing a micro USB port. Meron siyang 8 screw so medyo time consuming if you want to have full access sa LC niya. Well, kakabanggit lang natin na excellent yung physical appearance niya. Makapal naman talaga yung material. Pagdating sa performance, up to 2 hours lang ang kaya nito kapag nakatodo. So, dito pa lang sa duration niya baka mabiting ka if you're expecting more considering the price point unless you're using it while being charged. Ito ang main issue. Napaka-flimsy nung micro USB port niya. Kasi yun agad yung napansin ko the first time na chinarge ko siya, medyo umuuga at hindi ganun ka-tight yung physical connection nung charger at dun sa port mismo. Kaya whenever I charge it, I always handle it with utmost care. And when using it, nakapatong lang talaga siya sa desk or nakaklip lang sa upuan or sa sides ng cabinet or kama, ganun. In short, of all the clip fans that we have, ito yung hindi talaga nalaspag sa paggamit. More on indoors lang at hindi palipat-lipat. Now, if you're going to the feedback section ng product sa Shopee app, may common denominator. At yun nga, yung mga feedback na hindi nga tumatagal yung product. Meron pang isa na nasa 2 days lang nagamit. And based sa mga low-rated feedback, parang ang pinanggagalingan talaga ng issue yung charging port. Now, here's the problem. True enough, more or less 6 months lang ang inabot nito sa akin, humiwalay na yung charging port niya. Of course, no charging port means no way to charge it and no power means it is useless. Again, let me reiterate na of all the clip fans that we have, ito yung hinahandle ko with utmost care kasi nga medyo loose yung charging port niya. Kaya siguro naman you can say na nasa pag-handle mo lang yan. To be honest, hindi pa ito nabagsak ever since. Na hindi pa nga ito nakalabas ng bahay even though fans like this are also meant to be carried outside and everywhere. As in nakapatong lang talaga siya sa desk or nakaklip sa cabinet or sa kama. Unlike yung ibang clip fans namin na madalas dala-dala maski sa ang lakad. Pero hanggang ngayon okay naman yung ports and working naman in general. Yung dalawang clip fans nga namin naka micro USB din pero intact naman sila despite numerous charging. Ewan ko ba dito kay Tilex at mukhang years na din itong issue na to based sa mga dates sa feedback section. Sayang naman Tilex ang husay ng exterior material pero sablay naman pala pagdating sa loob. At this point obviously hindi natin ito marerecommend maski ano pang purpose mo. Lalong lalo na at hindi naman siya ganun kamura. Sa ngayon nasa 489 pesos ang price niya and I'm sure at that price point ang daming clip fans na mas matibay at matagal ang buhay than this. Of course, this is just based on my experience and cross-referencing the experiences of others sa feedback section ng item. Kung meron ka nito at inabot naman ng more than a year na gumana, good for you. Baka nga na tiyempo lang na sablay itong nakuha kong item pati na yung mga nakuha ng iba. However, it's still a bad experience lalo na at konti na lang kapresyo niya na yung mga trusted na clip fans in terms of durability. Siguro kung less than 200 pesos lang to I wouldn't mind. That I can even say it's WYSIWYG. But it's not. So this is just us providing you a bigger picture of the product. But at the end of the day, pera nyo pa din naman yan. We just hope that we are able to give useful references. See you in our next video. Bye!